Hello everyone, I'm Ghazali Ahmed Garo, CEO GaroWeb. I'm together with you today to tell you what Zeal Docs and how to get started with it. Zeal Docs is a software that helps programmer download and access programming language and frameworks documentation. You can download them and access them offline. That's what Zeal Docs do. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So let's download Zeal Docs from our Google. Get into Google, search Zeal Docs. It will show. Yeah, then choose the actually link Zeal Docs documentation. Yeah, this is the website. Zeal is an offline documentation. Yeah, Zeal is an offline documentation. You see, you will download Zeal Docs for Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Each operating system you use, you can download Zeal Docs for it. So I think I have my Zeal Docs. I have Zeal Docs on my computer. I'll just show you how to get started with it. Zeal Docs is an offline documentation browser for software developers. That's what they define Zeal Docs are. Yeah, this is Zeal Docs. Currently, I'm checking on Bootstrap 5 documentation. From the left sidebar, as you can see, the programming language and framework documentation that I've already downloaded on my Zeal Docs. So this is HTML documentation. I'm up HTML documentation, scrolling down to let you see how it is. You see, this is HTML documentation. It gathers everything about the language or the framework. Everything you can see. This for the Bootstrap 5 that I'm using. So I've clicked on new tab so that I want to show you how to download any framework or language documentation you want. This is actually how its homepage look like. Then you can see docs. Then this one are the installed frameworks and programming languages that I've already installed on my Zeal Docs. I can access them offline, but for now we are connected to network because I want to show you how to download a framework or any programming language documentation. This one I've already installed them, as you see them plenty as this. I've already installed them on my Zeal Docs. So let's download. Yeah, as you can see, I'm downloading Bootstrap 3. Yeah, it has already downloaded. I will refresh it. After I refresh it, then I have to close this tab. Then I'll open it. Bootstrap 3. It will open. Yeah, this is Bootstrap 3 framework, CSS framework. I just downloaded the documentation right now with you, and this is how it is. I'll just check on it. That's how Zeal Docs works. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'm Ghazali Ahmed Garo, CEO GaroWeb, the young programmer.